Hey, what's up, y'all? So today I went to a Japanese market called ITOKU, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It is a lot cheaper than like 7-Eleven or Family Mart for like snacks. So I spent around $10 for all this. I'm gonna show y'all right now, and then I'm gonna be also doing a review. So we got this pizza right here, margarita. We got this. I am not sure what this is, but I'll find out today. I got this coffee with tapioca. Of course, I had to get some a melon pan, my favorite. I think this is a melon pan, and then it has like a chocolate on it. Always had to buy a milk. It's on sale. I'm sure it's about to expire or some. Right here we got some banana creamy. Excited to taste that. Got one of these. If I'm to explain this, it's like a Mexican churro. Got a small little waffle right here. Got a coffee right here. So all of this for under $10, or like around $10. All right, so let's go ahead and start with this right here. Give it a test right now. Here's the straw. Boom, there you go. We are locked in. Tapioca milk tea. Easy, 10 out of 10. Alright, we're gonna try this small little waffle right here. It got like honey. I'm gonna give it that one like a 4. It's all right. I'm also sure it's a cheap, so not bad, not bad. Let's try the churro. I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10. It tastes amazing. All right, here's the chocolate melon pan, I think. Taste test this. Yep, it's a chocolate. I got some melon pan right here. Oh, and the chocolate melon pan, I'd say it's a 7 out of 10. The chocolate, it tastes a bit not very sweet, so it might not be a milk chocolate, but that's a personal preference. Here's a melon pan. You can't go wrong with a melon pan. It's a 10. And then with this, amazing. Alright. And I guess I'll try this one right here. It says you could put the straw in that. So let's go ahead and pull it open like that. Goes in right there, and you should be able to just pop it through. Yeah. And this is banana milk. I'd say this one's around like a 7.5. It's not really sweet, and I can't really taste the banana. I'd say it tastes very natural though, so I will say that. And then the milk is the milk, but it's amazing in Japan. And then coffee is coffee, so don't really need to explain those. Here we got the pizza. Let's try some Japanese margarita pizza. I'm gonna be honest here. Even though it's not hot, this pizza tastes amazing. This is honestly so good. This is a 10 out of 10. It tastes like pizza. It surpassed my expectations, honestly. Right. Then I'm not sure what this is, but let's find out, shall we? Let's take one right here. Maybe this is chicken, something chicken flavored. But like for a snack, this is a good snack. I'd say it's 8 out of 10. It's not bad. I would definitely find some again. So actually, I almost forgot I got some more snacks as well. How I said, it is a lot for only like around 10 bucks. America, in case I got some people overseas watching. Got one of these. Let's see. Let's try it out. Tastes okay. I'll honestly give this one a 4 out of 10. It's not something that I will try to find again, but it is okay. Then right here we got some peanuts, and it says these are from over here. I'm not sure where that is, but if you guys know, you guys know. Go ahead, pop it open. Okay, here we go. It is unsalted, and I'd say that it tastes just fine. It tastes like normal peanuts, unsalted. I'm not sure what to say, if it's a 5 out of 10 or, you know, tastes like peanuts. So, alright, well, that is it, guys. Peace out. That's that. And that's everything I bought, honestly. In case you guys like this video, just make sure to like it down below and subscribe if you guys want some more content like this. Catch you on the next one.